Hello, welcome to Quarterly. In this video, I would like to walk you through installing Java JDK and IntelliJ in Windows 10. To install Java JDK, we have to first set Java JDK downloads in your browser, and then go to this link from Oracle, and you can see Java builds for a standard edition here. So the latest one at the time of this recording is 15. If you scroll down, you can see the other versions, like other common builds, like long-term support, which is 11, and Java 8. So for this video, I will be downloading Java 15. So you have to click on this link here, JDK download, and you can see all the executable files and packages that you can download for your machine. So since you're downloading for Windows 10, I will be selecting this installer. You have, if you click on the executable, it will prompt you to agree with the license agreement for Oracle Java, and then you can start downloading your executable. So once the executable complete its downloading, you can click on it, and it will ask you if you want to allow this application to make changes to your device, and you can select yes. That will open up the installation wizard, and you can select next, and this will show you the default uh, directory that it will be installing into. And unless you have a good reason to change this location, I recommend you leave as it is, and you move forward with the installation, and this would only take like few seconds to complete. And once it's successfully installed, the wizard will let you know, and you can close the window. You can see that it has been successfully downloaded. If you go to your C drive program files, you will see Java 15 has been downloaded to your machine. And one of the most important folders here is this bin folder. So the next important thing is that you have to set your system variables to use this particular Java version or build. So you can copy this path up to the bin folder, and if you open your environment variables for the system, remember you have to select the system environment variables, not the one for your account, but the system variables. And then if you open the environment variables here and check under system variables, you will see this particular variable path there. You can edit it and add a new path. And once again, this path should include the bin folder as well. Okay. And most applications will require you to have a system variable for Java Home. In order to do that, we can first we go and get the path for Java Home. And Java Home is the JDK location, not the bin folder, but the JDK location. And you copy the path, go back to your system variables, and add a new variable, which we call Java Home. Copy the path. Yep, there you go. Good to go. Okay. So just check if you have successfully installed Java in your machine. You can open your command prompt. Just type CMD in your search bar and enter. It will open up a command prompt for you, and then type Java dash version, and that will show you the Java version installed in your machine. And that indicates that you have successfully completed Java JDK installation.